Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, let's start the process. As always, select your image, adjustment, channel mixture. Select green channel. Here make green 0% and blue 100%. Keep rest as same 0%. Select blue channel, green plus 100%. Here make blue 0% and keep rest as same 0. Change blend mode to lighten. Go to adjustment, hue saturation. Select cyan. Reduce saturation minus 50%. Go to adjustment, selective colors. Here select color reds, make cyan plus 100%. Yellow plus 100%. Keep rest as same 0. Select color whites. Black slide bar minus 20%. Keep rest as same 0. Select neutrals. Cyan minus 20%. Yellow plus 10%. Black plus 10% and keep rest as same 0. Select black. Here make all slide bar plus 20%. Adjustment, curves. Select RGB. Make a point and follow the step like this. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.